What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Octavio Options back again with another YouTube video, guys. And I hope everybody's doing well and having a great weekend. And today, guys, I'm gonna be giving y'all the top 5 setups that are ready to explode for Nvidia's earnings week. And that is this week coming up as of now. As you can see, guys, if you go to my Discord, you go to stock market, and you can see, boom, we have the earnings right here. We got what? We have all these stocks. The top ones I'm looking at is Chewy, Salesforce, I think that's what it's called. Salesforce, Nvidia, CrowdStrike, HP. Oh, that's gonna be a big one. Uh, Best Buy, Dell. Oh, Dell too. Wow. Okay. Um, Ulta. But yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna be doing today, guys. I'm gonna be top 5 setups this week for me that I'm gonna be looking at, and I got some crazy setups for y'all guys. So I got some crazy longs cooking here, and we got some crazy opportunities that you do not want to miss, guys. That the market is giving us, and you just have to lock in, guys. Like I said, um, go join the Discord, guys. Follow up. Join the channel, guys. We about almost got 200 members, boys. Let's fucking go. We're getting there. We're getting there day by day. God's with us. Make sure you pray up, put Him first. And yeah, guys, we have so much free stuff on the Discord. Look, free course, free indicator. This is my indicator that I use, that I've been using since I started trading. It's all the way up there. And these are the 2 videos. I do have specific settings you have to use, and you can find that in the specific right here in these 2 videos. But yeah, guys, go check it out. And yeah, guys, let's get to this top 5 setups for this week that are ready to explode. So let's get it, guys. All right, guys. For the first setup that we have ready for y'all is GM, ticker GM, and that's General Motors Company. About valued about $48 right now, 48.57. And then this is a weekly chart. You can see this this is wanting $65, guys. Right now we're at 46. This is way undervalued, guys. And the average stock, the average shareholder for the average share price for this stock is $56. And we have some fucking crazy news that just came up for this GM stock that I want to show y'all. So you can see the chart is lining up perfectly on the weekly off this liquidity sweep. We got 3 red candles right here, yes, but we got another 3 red candles going up. This is the liquidity sweep to this point of control low. We respected that monthly low. Look at that, off that exponential move higher from 38 all the way to this high at 50. Breaking back into this left side orb, you can see that. This low, breaking back onto this low would take us all the way back up to this high. And what do? We broke back into it. Look at the daily. Look how explosive this move looks. Ready to absolutely explode, guys. To chase the 65 target. And let me read y'all some news first. If we go on here on the Weeble, you can see we've got a lot of news, guys. Look, if we want to go here, guys. Right here, guys. Right here. General Motors increasing PO to 75 on strong guidance. Positive technicals, guys. GM has outperformed Ford and Tesla in 2024, up 36%, and has recaptured much of its July earnings, August losses. The firm reported strong Q2 earnings and released its FY 2024 guidance. Analysts expect for 24 EPS growth nearly 30% with its steady profits in the out year. And I provide a refresh look at my valuation assumption. GM chart is also constructive after a summer swoon. And this is General Motorsport. This is so General Motors just got an upgrade to $77 average cost. What is that telling you, boys? Right now, market cap is at 57.59 billion. And then we got the revenue year over year 4.97, not too bad, not too bad. And then you got the short interest 3.13, that is kind of low. And you got the FYD the 4.88, not too bad. That's a 5-day. If we go to 10 years, you can see that our all-time high was all the way around 65. Um, but yeah, guys, you can see and read this right here. Shares of General Motorsports continue to shine. 2024 stock. Just overall, just incredible bullish news coming out. And this was after this news that General Motors, GM, and Uber offer robot taxi, just like Tesla. And now Tesla and GM with Uber, they're both gonna collab to try to compete with Tesla. And that's what we're doing here. That's what we got going on here, where you got GM, got a what you call it, an offering autonomously vehicle for AVS and Uber technology beginning next year. And this can be out by 2025, guys. If you just go on here and you read this news, you can see it right here as well on my Discord, guys. We've been talking about this the whole day. Look, we got news after we dropped news on BA. Where's it at? Right here. This is where we got the 77 on strong guidance positivity technicals. Same thing right here. Uber partners with GM Cruise shines light on future business model automotive car markets. And that's the taxi shit we're talking about over here. About Uber and GM. Look it up. Go look at their stock and go look at the news. I'm telling you, this shit's gonna go like crazy. If you don't know what robot taxi is, it's an automated car where it's basically where Uber wants to like basically just pick up people automatically, and we don't have it doesn't have an actual person in the car driving. It's all automated through a system, through Uber. You know what I mean? And this is look, GM Unlimited chooses to launch its own vehicles and network through Cruise. Look at that shit. What is this telling you? GM has so much potential, guys. Not just GM, but Uber, guys. Look, let's go check out the Uber. We go here. Let's check out the Uber technologies sector right here, guys. Uber partnership with GM Cruise shine. You see that right here? Let's click on that. It's loading. It's loading. Give it a second, guys. There we go. Look. You can see this, and Uber shares. You can see Uber partners with GM Cruise shine light on future business model. And then yes, Sirski. That's another one. Let's close this out. And then right here, General Motors teams up with Uber to offer robot taxi. Excuse me, I can't say that. But guys, if y'all want to go and just read through this, I'll put this down in the description down below and go reread this to yourselves. But I'm telling y'all, I'm going long on GM. Long on GM. Possibly before earnings on Nvidia. Most likely Tuesdays open. Most likely. Just we gotta see how Monday reacts. I think Monday we found our bottom. But look at this beautiful price action on the weekly. This looks like a beautiful winter reward ratio right here. It came down from this 50 high all the way down to this 30, 38 area. We found support within the same orb. Pushed back up to chase after those highs. Look at the daily. He came down to the same where those buyers stepped in at this candle. Look, that's a big double fucking bottom. Breaking this high, breaking this. Look, what I would think is breaking this high, I would enter my longs. I would honestly enter my longs like this. After breaking this 50 high, 50.93 high, and I'll be targeting 65.80. And these would be for January. Let me see. I dropped the dates on this right before. So if we go right here, I'm gonna be dropping chart analyst and levels with this too. So after this video comes out, go join the Discord and either if they're not here yet, they're gonna be like the chart levels for these like 5 stocks that I'm gonna go over should be here for tomorrow before like market opens tomorrow. I'll upload them here tonight, just like it's gonna be kind of late, just because I got some family stuff going on tonight. But it's gonna be all here, guys, and I'm gonna be telling you the strike, the targets, and what strike to take and the levels that we need to see broke. But you can see, guys, look at this beautiful win to reward ratio, and this is all just because like we're having bullish sentiment. We're breaking above. The chart is showing us like we want to go higher for longer. We got analysts rating for a buy, and not just that, but look at the revenue and the EPS on look, beat. Tell me one time when they have fucking missed it. Look, if anything, it was lower. It was just a 3%, almost missed. 2% right here. You see that? But look, hit. Like that's improvements. You know what I mean? That's showing strong demand. You know what I mean? People, you look at this. Oh my God, this is another thing. Max $98. Max of $98. Imagine GM at $98 and buying it at $48. Come back in 4 years and watch for and just look at the price of GM, please. And this shit's gonna be up, bro. You know, its average cost is at 56, but like I told you, it's starting to push up to that 60 level. To that, like I said, we just got an upgrade to $77 this weekend. Like it was today, 10 hours ago that this news came out. What the fuck are the coincidence with this Uber and GM and Tesla taxi taxi robot coming out? You know what I mean, with all this shit, and it's just gonna be like a competitive thing where Uber and GM can build this absolutely magnificent machine to compete against fucking Tesla. You know? And the strike what I'll be looking at, guys, like I said, let's go up here. Right here. Where that? Bro, cause I posted it. Sorry guys about this. Oh, right here. All-time high, 16 touching 16. No, it's not. I lied. Oh, right here, guys. So, right here, GM, knowing it can go and got room to go higher. GM looking at 65 calls, January 2025. They're at $25 a pop right now. They're so fucking cheap. Those are for like 160 days out from now. And you tell me, bro. We pass through earnings. We pass through. You know what I mean? We're gonna pass through earnings with this strike price too. Earnings is not next to October. These contracts are not till fucking next year. We're gonna ride this shit, boys. You better get ready. Okay, so the levels I want to see broken is if we break above 50.93, I'll take those contracts. Take about 5 of them. Add 5 as the market opens, and then add 5 more and add 5 more. As much as you want, or as you feel like the risk to reward ratio, you really feel safety to this trade. But I'm telling you, this is going to go to 65. All right, that's one stock that I'm looking at, boys, for my not just long term, but to ride this bitch. This shit got so much bullish fucking news, so much bullish stuff, bro. Just I ain't got like much to say besides that, but you can see that, guys. Next setup, guys. Hood. And we're going to retrace back to these all-time highs around 25 strike. Looking, you can see that we came back down all the way to around that low where we got that exponential move at around that 13. That's our bottom, 1350. We didn't want to break under that. Because if we gave this 13 bottom out, we would have given all this support. And breaking this 1350 area would have taken us all to $80. And we don't want that. What do? We popped from $13 all the way back up to $21. That's a $7 move. Breaking back above structure and daily structure. Correct? Not correct. This is a monthly high on the left side right here. You see, this is a monthly high before we have this exponential gap up. All the way back up to this open, like where this stock opened, essentially. You see that? And look, the daily has respected it. No candle close above the daily. But what I'm thinking here, I mean the weekly. And you see the daily, we double topped in it, making a higher high with the candle close above previous high. Look, this is our previous all-time high. And then we off of this, we came down, we consolidated a bit, and then we made a higher high off of this high, off of this 25, and then we came down. This is our liquidity sweep right here, off that daily liquidity sweep. We came down, touch our bottom where that exponential move pushed from 13 all the way to that 24 first move, right? Where do we find support? At that same bottom, at this box. Look, we pushed up, and now we're in the same order block to after we break this high, this order block high. This is going to 21, 22, excuse me. And after 22, it's going to 25, 24. And that's what I'm looking at for this week, guys. Look at the point of control. The point of control is sitting at the top of us at the 4 hour. And we have not wicked it. We're sitting at the low of the volume profile. Usually you buy at the low of the volume profile and you sell at the high of the volume profile, right? So I want to see this high get absolutely murdered. This 21.30 exactly. I'll enter off of that. And then I will either, it just all depends how much those contracts are at that time. Like I said, guys, those contracts and everything, I'm going to be adding to the chart levels. But like I said, I'll be looking at the hood 35 calls, 117.25. The hood 35s, 221.2025. And then the hood 30s for 11.15s. And then 221.2025, 35 calls. But what I'm thinking I'm gonna like actually for surely take, I was looking at this and I was dying it down to not just keeping all of these contracts and looking at them all. I was looking at hood 33 call for 12.20, and then the hood 30 call 11.15, 11/15, hood 25 call 10.18. That's the one that looks more promising. I'm going to be honest, and I'm going to throw it out there straight out right now. It's about 60, 50 days out right now. It's a $25 call to go into the fucking money to write the 30. Breaking that 25. And these are till October 18th, right? And then as well, hood 26, the 10.18, same. But, yeah, guys, that's what I'm looking at. Hood, like I said, she can retrace all the way back up to this high. Just because we already got a higher high off of this. This was our previous high. We came down, swept our daily order block. We came back up, and we put in a new high with the daily high. Look at that. Daily candle closed above that high too. And what do? We break monthly structure on the daily. So what I'm thinking is, the third time we get up here on the daily, we're going to break above it, come back down, enter again off of this, and then go push to that 30 move. Are y'all hearing me? Y'all with me in this page now? So we can start seeing this shit go push up as well. If y'all want to see, we can look at the financials. The earnings was beat. 7%, 300%. We're not gonna worry about 2022 because that was COVID year. 327, 237%. You know what I mean? On revenue, we're beat it 3 times in a row already, but we're slightly increasing it. You know what I mean? We're beating it. Look, we beat it over 40 million on revenue last time, and we beat it over about 6.06 on the EPS. What's the estimate for the stock? Let me see. How do I go back to see that financial? Technicals right here. No, it's not technical. It's forecast right here. Beautiful. Forecast. Max is $32. Like I said, I want to get to that 30 level with these 25 contracts. With these 25 call contracts for October. Current, we're at 26, right? I mean 21. And then average price for actually hood is $23.66, right? So, guys, like I said, I'm giving y'all the strike price and I'm giving y'all dates. I just gave them to y'all. Put this shit in your watch list, and I'm telling y'all, we're going to break higher. Like I said, we want to see this hood retrace back to this 25 level. We can probably even hit that this week because of Nvidia earnings. Just keep that shit in your mind, guys, okay? And then next, we have Tesla. We got Tesla breaking and holding structure. Look. We got a big fat liquidity sweep, and then we gapped up, and then we broke back above. We are, it looks like we are making a double top, but I kind of don't see us going lower, to be honest. I really don't, because this was a fair value gap that we filled. Yes, we made a lower low with the candle close under it. Yes, but like I said, Monday's gonna dictate everything, guys. Dictate everything. Either we get a double top and we push back down to 215 to this next order block at 214, or we break above this 220 area and then we chase 24. After 24, it's 30. Because the high of this previous week was up here at that 28 area, and that's already wicking out this liquidity middleweight. You see that right here? We wicked half of this from level to level. It wicked half of it, so it's already taking out half of this sell side liquidity off the left side. So once we break above this is what I'm thinking. We break above this like that, and then we break above this high like that, and then we break above this high like that, and then we push up higher, just like that. Exactly like this, guys, to target around this 230 area. As well, guys, the robot taxi is coming out. The robot, not just that, but the actual robot that Tesla's been working on. They have an event coming up on October 18th, I believe. Don't quote me on this shit, but they have an event coming up, guys, and it's gonna spice things up for Tesla for sure, boys. So y'all get ready. Y'all get fucking locked in, boys. Join the fucking Discord. This might be a little bit long of a video, but you know, check this shit out, boys. This promising setups. So breaking above 221, you can see 224. After 224, you can see 228, and after 228, you can see 230. But like I said, most likely after breaking this 224 for the third time in a row, we will see that 30. Okay? So that's another stock that I'm looking at, guys. You can see I have my order blocks set. Breaking out of these order blocks, I will take action to the upside. Either if we break to the upside, breaking the levels to the upside, or if we break lower to the downside, I'll take action to going down lower. Okay, guys, so that is Tesla for y'all. So I gave y'all Tesla, I gave y'all GM, I gave y'all Hood. Alrighty, let's give y'all some Ulta. So we got this Ulta trade cooking right now that I'm in. And let me tell y'all the exact thing I'm in. I'm in this for earnings. Same thing for Nvidia earnings. I'm in a Ulta 385 call right now. As I'm looking at it, guys, these are worth 1.2k buckaroos. This is the contract I'm holding. Look at that. Right? So this is for this week coming up. Yes, and I'm up. You can see my fills at 11.50, and then I'm up 35 bucks, 3%. Not too bad, not too shabby. But my target is 386, or if we can break that, 392. We can really see this shit break up to the upside. We already made a new higher high off the 5-minute right after close. You see that? We got a candle close above this high. So what's telling me is that next intentionally push up higher is going to be target next higher highs. Next high would be up here at that 383. So watch for Ulta, guys, to push up into those higher high moves. We got earnings coming up here soon. I believe it was just to make sure. We got earnings on the 29th, and that is this Friday. So y'all get ready. Look, she's looking like she's wanting to break. Look at these tight squeeze. You're not telling me this is not looking like a box, like a triangle setup right here? Look at that. Well, bro, this is looking straight to $400. I'm gonna be straight up with y'all. And if y'all don't know, Warren Buffett just put 129 million into this Ulta shares, into his what's it called? Not profile, but his portfolio. There's regular portfolio. But guys, breaking this high off this 379, you can target 388, 383, and then after 383, it's 386. After 386, it's 392. I really do think we can get to $400 off this fucking where we fucking sold off. Our all-time high where we double topped was at 412, guys. So just imagine, guys. Just imagine if this bitch can just fly. This bitch is going to fly, guys. Like I said, this is a swing. My EMA's crossing right before close on the 5-minute as well. Look. My 200 EMA, which is my red line, and my EMA orbs are crossing forward by. That is good. We are riding the time frames now. Look at 3 minute. Look at the 1 minute, right? Let's get it, boys. Y'all, get ready, boys. So that's Ulta for y'all. And another trade I'm gonna be looking out is AVGO, guys. AVGO is on a daily breakout, and I'm in AVGO. Let me get my tablet again. um, make this nice and sweet for y'all. AVGO. I'm in 2 calls for this week. 171 call. I am just down a tad bit, 3% off of it. Average at 280, 253, 258. Excuse me. Look at that. And then I'm in a 169 call. That is green. That one's around $325. I'm up 15 bucks on it. 4%. Excuse me. Not too bad. Not too shabby, right? So y'all can see on this daily breakout, we finally broke above this trend line. We pushed up with making a new higher high off this high right here. Look at that higher high candle on the 4 hour after breaking this high. See that? He came down, retested that low, same order block, respected this 160 low that I would not want to break. Look at that. And our point of control is all the way up here at that 170 area. Look at this beautiful retest with that higher high right here. Previous high with the higher high. Came down, liquidity swept, touched our order block low buy side. What do? You buy low to sell high. Right? We're on an uptrend now. You buy low and you sell high. You do not be when buying puts off of this shit. And what does this look like again, guys? This is looking like a tight squeeze. Look at that. If you don't tell me, guys, this is like, bro, like, look at this shit. After breaking our daily structure, look at this shit. This is ready to go up. What I'm targeting, guys, would be that high of 172. After 172, I want to see 173.50. After we see this 173.50 get absolutely disrespected, we can see this 177 get fucked. And then we can push up to that next 184. But essentially, by the end of this week, I want to hit 184. For these fucking contracts can go in the money. This is AVGO. I'm in 171 call and a 169 call for this week. With Nvidia earnings, I am expecting this to go up to 184 or higher, guys. That's if Nvidia can pull this off as a bullish earnings report, right? So, guys, that's what I'm looking at. You can see this is like a beautiful like winter reward ratio right here, guys. Like this is spitting out game right here. This is spitting out so bullish. Look how we closed. We closed green up $4 in the day too, and we fucking bouncing off that 15 minute point of control. Look at that. Off that close. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Like I said, let's watch this Monday though. Like I said, we already made that higher high, so I'm already automatically be expecting these 172s to get wicked out. If we double top, I'm taking profit off of those. If we break a higher high and make a new higher high for that, I'm holding, baby, to next level. I work level by levels. Guys, go join the fucking Discord, guys. Dropping everything there, dropping all the levels, and dropping all the fucking setups there, guys. So we got Ulta, GM, AVGO, we got Hood, and we got Tesla. I'm gonna give you one more. That's 6. That's 6. But this will get really fast though. This should have been it, but I got you with 6, boy. I'm in BA calls, boys. This is BA. I'm gonna make this nice and simple for y'all. Look at the hourly. We absolutely found our bottom right here around 173 and pushed up to breaking above that 170 area. 169 breaking above that 170 area. You see that? I believe as well the CEO just bought some shares, bought around like 129,000 shares off of BA. Like I said, the CEO is liking the bottom. I announced this on Friday. Alright, I'm not gonna go all the way back up because I have to be scrolling so much. But I'm in these already, guys. I have one contract for 175 for this week at 308, at 303 average, and then a 180 call average at 128. And I'm expecting us to hit 180 this week, guys. That is a $6 move from now. If we break above this 180, oh shit, we got room, guys. We will have room all the way to 187. And I think that's where we find a high though. But guys, on the long term, I am seeing this BA finding its bottom now here. at the low of the hourly. You see that right here? Came down, consolidated around the hourly. We got the exponential move breakout right here of this whole consolidation at this buy side. We pushed up at this 180 area. We broke structure, breaking this high. Look at that. And this push down was already a liquidity sweep to this consolidation. Look where we stopped. Look where we found our support, right at those highs, perfectly. What do? Push up, breaking back above all EMAs, and breaking structure back to the upside. Look, 30-minute EMA crossing. Nothing more bullish than that. Nothing more bullish than that, right? Way oversold the daily. Point of control is at 186. Average cost on this stock is $220. Way over fucking sold. Right now we're sitting at $170. That's $30 plus another $20. 30, 40, 50. That's a $50 move from where we're sitting, guys. Lock the fuck in. I'm being so dead ass with you. This shit got movement to the top. If we get above that 180, we can for sure see that 200. It's just a matter of time. When and where. You know what I mean? When and where. But you can see, guys. And that's going to conclude today's video, guys. Like I said, go join the Discord down below, guys. Those contracts that I'm looking at for BA is the 120 for 1018 and the BA 195 calls for 927. And then I also have the contracts that I'm holding this previous week. That I've been holding from, like I said, this last week. But yeah, guys, this is going to conclude this trading video. These are my top setups for this week coming up. Make sure I drop a like, subscribe, guys. Go join the fucking Discord. Go subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. Don't sleep on GM, guys. GM is a fucking stock on the come up. I'm being so dead ass. I'm not being sarcastic. I'm being so serious. Big opportunities are coming, and big opportunities are showing themselves. So take action and believe in yourself. You can do this. We're all the same. Have a great day. Have a great day this week. And let's fucking ride, boys. Like I said, I'm going to be dropping all the levels and screenshots of my chart and the levels I'm expecting and needing us to break, and the strike I'll be taking if we break those levels. Drop a like and subscribe, guys, and see y'all to the next one. Peace. Peace.